YouTube, what's good YouTube? Welcome back guys. You know what I'm saying? So guys, we're back. As you can see guys here, it's Sunday. In 2 hours time the market is gonna open, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, this is what I usually do guys, and every Sunday, you know what I'm saying, maybe Saturday I don't do this, you know, because of, you know, maybe I'm tired. I've been focusing Monday to Friday, so Saturday I always, you know, I always want to chill out and want to go to, you know, to places, you know, something like that, just to feel like I'm away from the market, you know what I'm saying? But Sunday before the market open, I always make sure I look the chart, I scroll all the pairs before the market opens, so that I know which pair is going to be moving the most in the next week. So as you can see right now, I'm here on the chart, you know what I'm saying? It's a Sunday, 2 hours before the market open. I already check everything, which means I already know which pair we're going to be focusing on, me and my team, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man, you know, when you're a team leader, you have a lot of responsibility which you don't wanna mess up for your team and stuff like that. So I always make sure, you know, I'm there for my team. I always make sure I'm there for you guys to give you guys an update about everything that is about to happen in the market, you know what I'm saying? So this is what you have to do, man. I think you need to have same mindset as mine, you know what I'm saying? So every day before the market open, you need to be there so that you can be able to understand the movement for the next week. So I already know which pair I'm about to focus on next week. So yeah man, so listen here guys, I've seen your questions guys, you know what I'm saying? Let me read the first question. Yeah man, so if you got any question, you know what I'm saying, make sure to leave the comment below, you know, below this video, and I'll come back and I'll answer your questions guys. So but here I'm gonna try to answer some questions that I see. So somebody asked me like, yo, help me becoming profitable bro. So help me becoming profitable bro, I love your question. You know, the answer is, before I help you becoming profitable, first help yourself by applying a proper risk management, you know what I'm saying? Because becoming profitable, this starts from your mindset, how you think before you take the market, before you take the entry in the market, and how this comes with really proper risk management. So for you to become profitable, you have to understand about your account capital, you know what I'm saying? So you need to always make sure you risk 2% of your account. If you have 10,000, you know what I'm saying, let's just start with the small number. If you have $100 in your account, make sure risk only 2% of your account. So I mean, the lot size, this is gonna start from the lot size. Lot size is the most thing which is always kill some people's account. A lot size, because many of your guys, you wanna become rich today. You wanna start trading today and you wanna become rich today, which this business doesn't go that way, you know what I'm saying? I know you might be seeing some people, a lot of traders, you know, say some big traders making big numbers of money, but don't follow that, you know what I'm saying? Grow step by step, you know what I'm saying? You can never be born today and grow up at the same day. So you need to step by step, you know what I'm saying? Start, if you got $100 account, you already know, don't try to turn that account to $200 same day. That's how you're going to kill yourself. Because remember, every day, what if the market comes back on me? You know what I say? Because the market is not always going forward. Sometimes it comes back on you. You know what I say? So it doesn't feel good. That's how you're going to grow your account. So always make sure use proper risk management. Use a lot size that is going to help you not to grow your account with the first entry or second entry. Always make sure you can turn your account balance into 10 trades. So once you lose one, you're gonna win the second one. You know what I say? So I think I already answered your question. For you to become profitable, first thing first, start from your mindset. Use proper risk management. Okay, how to use proper risk management? This is another question. I think this question and the first one is the same thing. How much stop loss can I use? So the stop loss you can use, it depends on the setup. You know what I said? The stop loss that you can use, this starts from it depends on the setup. So the setup that you see, like the opportunity that you find in the market, if the setup that you find in the market has 60 pips of taking profit, 60 pips. So look at the stop loss. If it's more than 30 pips, don't take it. You understand? So because you always make sure, on my side, I always make sure first the setup that I have, the stop loss, I don't take more than 30 pips. I always take 30 pips, but the take profit must be 60 pips, 200 pips, 200 pips. You know what I'm saying? So if I take a risk of 30 pips as a stop loss, I always make sure my take profit is a 60 pips, 90 pips, or 120 pips, which is 1 to 2. Start from 1 to 2, 1 to 3 to 4, 5. You understand? And once the market moves, you know, once the market moves, the first 30 pips, I always make sure I lock some of the profit, because I don't want my profit to become the loss. You understand? So I hope you get what you want to know about it. The other person asked me like, yo, how to join the team. So if you want to join the team, just check if you're watching this video from my YouTube channel right here, check the link on description below. Click on how to join free Telegram group, and then after you join the free Telegram group, you're gonna join in a free Telegram group, which is public group, and then you can text me, send me a message and be like, yo Juba, how to join your VIP group. The VIP group, which is a private group where I send the signal, you're gonna be trading same as I trade. You understand? So yeah, I hope I answer your question. And if you join the free Telegram group, you're going to be receiving all the trades that I'm paying attention at. I always make sure it's sent to everybody in the free Telegram group. So you don't want to miss the free Telegram group too, because it's going to help you to see every trade that I'm about to take. I always share with the free Telegram group, you know what I say, for everybody to understand what I'm paying attention to. All right, so the other question is, how much take profit can I use? Guys, I already answered this question. How much take profit can I use? I already told you guys the take profit, it depends on the setup that you see in the market. And remember that you don't take everything that you see in the market, because some markets, they don't have, you know, they don't qualify for you to take them because of your lose. You know, I say you must have the lose before you start trading. Before you start jumping in the market, as soon as you wake up in the morning, you must give yourself the lose, and you must remind yourself your lose. Okay, it's a morning, right? I want to start taking the trades, right? So today, I want to remind myself my lose of trading. If I see the trade that has stop loss more than 30 pips, I'm not gonna take it. That's your first lose. So make sure you follow that lose every morning as soon as you wake up. So as soon as I see the trade that has 30 pips stop loss, it must have starting from 60 pips as take profit. This is the trade which I'm looking for. Once you see that opportunity, take it. If you didn't see that, don't take anything, you know what I'm saying, until the day you're gonna find the same trade which you're looking for. Don't worry just because you didn't trade for today, because yo, I didn't trade for today, you panic too much. No, don't panic, it's fine, it's all right. That's how you become profitable. You have to respect your lose, understand? So guys, I wish you a good week, you know what I'm saying. Starting from tomorrow Monday, we back to kill the market. Is, you know guys, this week we've been killing the market like nobody else's business. If you were in the free telegram group, you saw what we did, you know. So I don't want to repeat that, but you saw what we did. The work was crazy, you know what I'm saying. And this week right here, man, no sleep, you know what I'm saying, no sleep. So man, leave the comment below if you got any question. Just leave the comment below, man, and we can help each other, you know. We can help each other. I'm here to help you. We can help each other. I don't mind giving you the advice like this, you know what I say. Just leave the comment below, then I'll come and read your comments. Pay attention to the next video. It's gonna come back with answer of your questions, you know, man. It's your boy Juba Snipe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as FX Juba Snipe. Make sure you follow me on Facebook as FX Juba Snipe. Make sure you follow me on TikTok as FX Juba Snipe. So peace out, man.